So, as you all probably know, I get a lot of fan mail, and I received one recently. I just thought I'd sort of share it with you. So here goes. It says, um, "Dear Dan, aka Phoenix History, I'm a big fan of the channel. Thank you." It says, "I really love your videos, but I'm quietly concerned that after recent videos, you're looking more and more like a hipster." Which would be okay, except that the hipster fashion's gone out of date for at least a couple of years. Yeah, okay. Which is ironic because, like your history channel, it's rather outdated. Which is very upsetting. It says, "Yours sincerely," what's that saying? Mrs. B? Bramble? Why would you write that?
Preview.
Wops's Lodge roundabout and the Caterham bypass were constructed in 1939. The roundabout was claimed to be the first of its kind in the country, with pedestrian subways passing under the 6 converging roads into the open submerged centre. During World War II, the roundabout had to be camouflaged to hide its white appearance, due to the threat of German bombers potentially using this as a navigation tool to head either into London or to bomb other airfields or key targets around the county. But it still appears to have been used as a navigational aid to Allied airmen flying from the Straits of Dover following the railway line through Ashford, Tunbridge and Godstone. To reach Kenley Aerodrome, they turned right at Godstone Station and left at the roundabout. The pedestrian subways were used as air raid shelters and provided a lot of cover for the local inhabitants of Caterham and nearby areas. So here I am right in the centre of it. It's kind of hard to believe, isn't it, really? Like, this used to be like an air raid shelter, and obviously that, they had to cover this up because the Germans might have thought that, it was helping them direct them to the airfield. Just crazy, really. So here I am right in the centre now, look. That one. Can't tell you how many times I have driven through here on the Caterham bypass to get to Croydon for gigs, and never even batted an eyelid as to what this was. Really, didn't really interest me, and yet it's an amazing bit of history. Let's go. It's just the biggest elephant in the room for an air raid shelter. I cannot believe, when I was doing my research, that this was used as an air raid shelter. It was perfect for it, but they had to cover it up. I just can't believe it. Unbelievable. So yeah, look, U3, U4, U5, U6. Echo. So I just want to say, whilst I'm in the centre of it, just so you can sort of understand a couple of points of reference. These two, that one and that one, literally just go straight out. But this one, Finger of Doom, and that one, they go alternate left and right. So that one, as you walk through, left and right on that. But these two, they don't. They just go straight. Still can't believe how just amazing this find is in terms of, you know, all the cars. So you see all these cars just sort of going round. I say that, there was some. There you go. And they're literally just sort of circling you. Do you know what I mean? It's quite weird, really. I've never been down here, and yet I've driven. So my journey would be coming from there, which is Caterham bypass. I'd have to swing round, keep going, and then going down that way. Yeah, crazy. Absolutely crazy. So hello everybody, what a conclusion to that strangely satisfying video really. The elephant in the room of air raid shelters in Surrey, you know, the thing that was all there all along, and it was amazing research for me to actually do that and to actually sort of feel like, you know what, I should sort of dust myself off and be a little bit proud of that one, because I'm not, you know, it's just an incredible find under the circumstances. And yeah, like, you know, for all intents and purposes it looks like a normal subway system, you know, interweaving between it, but the fact that that was also, they had to like cover that up so that it could so the Germans couldn't find out the location of the airfield based around a landmark like that. What an amazing piece of history, and long forgotten, because the amount of people who've driven through that you know, I hope actually it'd be quite nice in the comments below if you have sort of driven through Caterham bypass on your way potentially to Croydon or around that area, and you may have gone around that roundabout and you might have been like, wow, I didn't even know that as well. Dan, you're not alone in that. So yeah, what can we say about it? It's just, you know, just incredible. And like I said, a strangely satisfying video for me today, because, you know, I kind of knew what I was going to expect. It's kind of easy to park, you know, easy to locate, but the research was the most exciting thing about it. And then the point is that we've been able to document it, you know, being able to walk through all of the sort of like little subway corridor bits, and we've been able to sort of, you've been able to sort of see it just as much as me. And you know, even though sometimes like that things can be almost too obvious that they don't become exciting, I think actually in this instance, I think no, actually no, this was a good one, really good one. So anyway, any more words of Phoenix history, thanks as always for watching, and feel free to like, share, subscribe, but you can also dislike it if you want to. I don't have a problem with that whatsoever, but do it for the right reasons rather than just the fact that, you know, I have a beard, you know, discrimination. So yeah, thank you. And any more words of Phoenix history, I will see y'all very soon, because history matters. Take care everybody, bye for now. Whoa, bang.